Let me show you how to enable and use your drawing assistant on your S25 and S25 Ultra. If you go in the settings, click Galaxy AI, go to the drawing assist, and we have to enable it first. So by default it's not enabled. Also you can go over here, for example, and adjust the strengths of the AI basically processing if you need to. And then to launch it, there are two different ways. If you have the regular S25 without the S Pen, as you see in the Edge panel, you have it over here, so you can click and open it. Or also on the the Ultra one, as soon as you take out your style, so you see you have this icon appear here. So you can click on it and click the drawing assist, and you see you can open it up here. So let's remove it. So if you want to generate something here, first choose a style in which you want to, for example. So let's maybe select this one, and then let's click draw, and for example you can start drawing something. For example, maybe like a very ugly cat. So you see it's all over. Let's see what it's actually able to come up with, and let's click generate here. Okay. Okay, not much better. So yeah, you can also click once more, for example, maybe in even different format to retry. If you are that bad at drawing, obviously, it's not going to be any better, I guess. Well, yeah, not a good example. So also, if you click over here, text to image, you can also add additional prompts to it. For example, let's see what it's able to do. Also, you can ask it to generate the image in all kinds of different styles, in colors. So you see, probably much better. So yep. Okay. So yep, much better, obviously. And yeah, so you have different styles here, so you can generate it maybe even in this kind of style, for example, here. Okay, so that's obviously nothing like like the original one, but yeah, get the point. So yeah, kind of cool. Also, see you have the past ones. Okay, good luck.